Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap South Laurel local and long-distance movers near me. We are always prepared to help you in your comprehensive moving services, no matter how far you are going. Whether it's a different state or a foreign country, our professionals are always organized. Our expert movers have long-time experience in moving-related tasks like packing, unpacking, lifting, loading, and carefully delivering your belongings to the final destination. We take the complete responsibility of delivering your belongings safe and sound to your doorstep. Moreover, we have compensation policies in our company in case if there is any damage. At 3 Movers, we complete the residential and commercial moves quickly and on time so that you can move to your new place as fast as possible. A local move in South Laurel didn't seem like much, so it feels unnecessary to hire a professionals in the moving industry. But you do have to pack and move your belongings to a new place. We make it simple for you to move, regardless of the miles down the road. Our country movers will do it all for you and save you time and money. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our South Laurel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.